Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's digital age, privacy is more important than ever, especially when it comes to our messaging apps. If you're looking to add an extra layer of security to your messenger conversations on your iPhone, you're in the right place. In this updated tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to activate App Lock in Messenger on iOS 18, ensuring your chats stay private and secure. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Messenger app on your iPhone. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in and on the chat screen, look for the menu icon. It's located in the upper left corner and is represented by three short horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the side menu. In the side menu, you'll see a gear icon in the top right corner. This is your Messenger settings. Tap on it to access the app's settings menu. Now scroll down until you see the privacy and security option. Tap on it to proceed. In the Privacy and Security menu, find the Security section. Within that section, you'll find App Lock. Tap on it. In the succeeding window, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Require Face ID. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. You'll likely be prompted to verify with your Face ID or passcode. Just tap Allow and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions, including your preferred instance to require Face ID for Messenger. Once enabled, Messenger will require a valid Face ID or your passcode to unlock the app. It's important to note that even with App Lock enabled, you'll still receive notifications and be able to answer calls. However, to view the actual messages within the app, you'll need to use Face ID or your passcode. This ensures that your conversations remain private, even if your phone is unlocked. If you ever need to change this setting, simply follow the same steps to navigate back to the App Lock menu. You can toggle the switch off to disable the feature or adjust any other settings as needed. And that's it. You've successfully activated App Lock in Messenger on your iPhone, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help our channel grow. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.